Hey there! Welcome to Financial 101. We're breaking down money basics, step by step. Whether you're 15 or 50, understanding how money works is the first step to building wealth. Let's get into it. What is money? Money is just a tool. That's it. It's not evil. It's not magical. It's simply a way to exchange value. You work, you get paid, you spend, you trade your money for something you value more. Understanding this helps you stop fearing money and start using it wisely. Income versus expenses. Here's the most important formula in personal finance. Income minus expenses equals what you keep. If you make $2,000 a month and spend $1,800, you're doing okay. But if you make $5,000 and spend $5,500, you're in trouble. No matter how much you earn, what matters is how much you keep. That leftover amount, that's your financial power. Saving and emergency funds. Before you invest, before you buy anything big, save. Start with an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of your basic expenses. Why? Because life happens. Your car breaks down, you get a medical bill, you lose your job. With a safety net, those moments don't wreck you. Without one unexpected hit, and you're drowning in debt. Credit and debt credit cards aren't evil, but they're dangerous if you don't understand them. Use credit, pay it off in full every month. Never just the minimum. That's how debt traps you. There's good debt, like student loans or a mortgage, and bad debt, like high-interest junk you didn't really need. Learn the difference and stay in control. Budgeting basics. Budgeting isn't about saying no to fun. It's about telling your money where to go before it disappears. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or paying off debt. Track your spending. Know your numbers. Because if you don't control your money, it will control you. Start investing early. If you're young, here's your superpower: time. Investing early, even small amounts, beats investing big later. Why? 2 words: compound interest. Your money earns money. Then that money earns more money. Start with index funds. Don't try to time the market. Set it. Forget it. Watch it grow. Closing thoughts. Money doesn't have to be confusing. Learn the basics. Take control. Start small, but start today. Because financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having options. Thanks for listening to Financial 101. Stick around, and we'll help you level up your money game.